All right, guys. Hey, this is a little retrofit. Enter it at your own risk. So just so you know, but if you're interested, I have a 12 volt, half milliamp, no, half amp power adapter that's connected to a voltage booster. This is a 12 volt booster that will take it from 12 volts to 20,000 kilovolts. Yes, 20,000 kilovolts, but at very low amperage. So if you look here, guys, I have the positive wire connected to the AccuSpray nozzle. Now, mind you, this tube is longer than it's going to be. This is going to end up fitting into the end of my fogger. But to just hold it suspension-wise, I've got it all figured out here. But this capture ring is connected to the black wire, and again, the nozzle is connected to the red wire. So let's plug it in and see what happens, boys and girls. So you don't hear anything yet. If you can hear that hissing is the electrostatic field around that ring. So let's prove our science here. So that electrostatic field will go there. So once you push your fog or whatever through that collector ring, you'll have an electrostatically charged chemical. My recommendation, though, is to make sure that you connect the handle that you're holding the fogger with to the ground wire. So you may have to jerry-rig the device to make sure it has a ground wire, because the one that I got from China, it has a ground plug but doesn't have a ground wire. So I'm going to reattach a new cord with a ground wire and attach the ground to the handle so that you're grabbing onto the handle that's connected to the ground wire. That grounds you so that if there is a mistake or a static buildup, it's going to discharge. And that's going to be important. You could also add a wrist ground if you want, like you do when you discharge when you're working on computers. And that has to be connected to the ground wire, but I'm going to choose to go the ground wire on the handle. All right, guys, thank you very much. We'll see how this works later.